check it out. Look at these people coming to see you graduate today. This is awesome. Hey, everybody. Okay, thanks for coming.
Attention! They're about to announce the scholarship winners. Yes. All students, please report to the auditorium. The winners of the academic and athletic scholarships are, drum roll please, Clyde and Seymour! Hold it! Principal Twindy!
Ooh! Do stop the celebrations. I'm afraid Clyde and Seymour may not graduate. They have not completed all their classes.
Clyde? Seymour? Is that true?
Yes! That means these scholarships are mine!
Not so fast, Trip. Principal Twimby, what classes didn't they complete?
Well, I'm glad you asked, Neutron. Let's have a look, shall we? Clyde didn't finish science, Seymour didn't finish gym nor drama, and neither finished dance. That means in order for them to graduate, I'm afraid they must finish all those classes by the end of today.
That's impossible! Nobody can finish all those classes in one day!
Oh yeah? Do you guys want to see Clyde and Seymour try?
No!
Well, let the classes begin then.
All right, everyone, let's get into places. Places, please. This is drama class, and I expect to see some great acting. Oh, yes. Yes, oh, you ought to be in pictures of it. Now, go away, Seymour. Come in, you're just in time. Now, in today's class, I shall name a famous movie, and you will perform a scene from it. First is Jaws. Action. We're gonna need a bigger boat. Loving it. Now, Trip, this next one will be for you. I want to see you do a scene from Hamlet. To be or not to be? Shh. To be.
Seymour! That's my line!
Yes, Seymour, everyone has a part to play. You'll get your chance. And now, the grand finale, the sound of music. Yes, the hills are alive. What do you say, everyone? Do they pass? Bravo! That was well done. Oh, next class, science.
Hey, Clyde, buddy, we gotta pass science class, but where are you? Have you guys seen Clyde? Oh, he's over there. There he is. Come on, let's go.
I am Professor Whizbang, and welcome to my science class. Our first lesson today, Hooper and Clyde, is going to be all about trajectory. Please demonstrate the trajectory you see on the screen above by using this replica of the Earth. Oh my, what a very good demonstration of trajectory. I tell you what, indeed. Neutron, I'd like you to explain the periodic table to me. I'd like to know what's on top. The periodic table, yes, Seymour, Neutron. Oh my, does he have a question already? He has to use the little boys' room. Oh, very well, Neutron. Show him the way. Bathroom's down the hall that way. Oh, my. Moving on to astronomy. Now, this is a special telescope I designed myself so you can see all the stars and planets during daylight hours. I have a patent on it. So I'm going to look through this telescope, and everything I can see on the telescope, you can see on the screen above. So Hoover, Clyde, please come over and tell me what planet you're looking at. It could be Venus, Jupiter, Bruno, Mars. You never know. Aren't they beautiful? Yes, they are. Oh my, what's everybody laughing at? Oh, my, I'm so sorry. Oh, please don't tell the school board about that. Oh, my. Oh. All right, moving on to chemistry. Now remember the number one rule in chemistry is you never pour chemicals down the drain because all drains lead where? The ocean, that's right. All right, we start our chemical experiment by pouring the chemical. You poured the chemicals down the drain, you're going to stop up the bathroom pipes.
Don't worry, Professor, we can fix it.
With what?
With this.
What's that?
It's an air can we made in science class yesterday, made out of recycling. We can fill it with the compressed air from this tank, and it'll create a big, powerful blast. See?
Oh, that was hair raising, I tell you. Hair raising.
Y'all are taking the show way too seriously.
Now we can use it to unclog the pipes that lead all the way to the bathroom.
Is it safe?
I don't know, but what's the worst that can happen?
I don't know.
Do not go in there.
Next up, push.
See every day? Alright, never mind. Alright, for lunch today you got two choices. You ready for it? Take it or leave it. Hoopa, Neutron, get out here.
Present!
Oh, I got a present for you.
Whoa, so excited! What is it?
It's detention! Now let's get out of here.
Ah, what a drag.
Hey!
What?
What's wrong? You never seen a lady before? Alright, boys, let's see what we're having for lunch. Fish. Surprise, surprise. Now, nobody touches a thing until I divide it even Stevens. That's very nice. Here's a little appetizer to get you started. Now, remember, just like I said, don't touch a thing until it's all divided evenly. Alright, here we go. I got one fish for Clyde and one fish for Seymour. Two fish for Clyde and two... Wait a second. Didn't I put a fish on that plate? I asked you people a question. Did you come to SeaWorld to take a nap? Did I put a fish on that plate? No! Thank you. Now, I'm going to do that again, but just know something. I'm watching you very carefully. Here we go. One fish for Clyde. And one fish for Seymour. Two fish for... Aha! I saw you, that's it. You took that fish. I saw you take that fish. Yes, you did. You took that fish. I saw you. You took that fish, didn't you? is it. You know what happens to students that take fish from me in my own cafeteria? Well, I might just sneak up on the other sea lion and do this. I'm just kidding, folks. All you gotta do is touch him. Elbow. Pinky. You're not supposed to roar yet. Elbow. Pinky. Heidi. No hands. Lunch is over.
Hey, Seymour, how's the lunch? I was in detention. Hurry up, our next class is dance, and we still gotta get warmed up. Come on, let's go. All right, buddy, let's stretch. Okay, don't forget the other flipper. Okay, I think we're ready.
All right, everybody, let's get ready for a dance class. Now, let's review the disco hustle hit. And hit. And hit. Just like hit and hit. Oh, it's beautiful. And hit. Yes. Oh, right on. Now, Neutron and Seymour, I want to see you two do the tango. Oh no! Well, then he better go see the school nurse.
Yeah, Seymour, that was some great acting. You totally got us out of gym.
Kids these days, no respect for the environment. So careless. You're this in your garbage.
Now that's cold. Unbelievable. How careless can you be? Honestly, who litters like that? Trash like that is a
The recycling bin was just over here. He passed right by it. You know how much of this stuff ends up in landfills when you don't recycle?
Well, I hear that Seymour hurt his flipper in dance class. Again. Send him in, please. Okay, Seymour. Something seems a little fishy because the exact same thing happened last week. So, you and I are going to need to do an examination. First things first, let's check those eyes. Can you read the second line on this eye chart for me? The jokes don't get much better, guys. I'm doing this time. Alright, let's do a full examination. I'm going to need to take your temperature, so how about you just open up your mouth and we will do that. Yep, if you just pay attention. On second thought, never mind. Alright, Seymour, thank you for pulling my chain. So, I say that you are either going to have to go to gym class, or I'm just going to be forced to give you this teeny little
Shot!
Yeah, just as I thought, Seymour. You better hurry up because the school day is almost over.
All right. Welcome to gym class. GYM for physical education, I tell you what. Hooper, what I want you to do is demonstrate on how strong my top athlete is by doing a handstand. That's what I tell you what. Oh, yes. Oh, look how strong he is using those pectoral muscles. Look how strong he is. Oh, Handstands are over. So, Hooper, what I want Clyde to do is demonstrate for Seymour exactly what Seymour has to do to pass my class. He's not a very good athlete, I tell you what. So what Clyde's going to demonstrate for Seymour is a high dive. He's going to do a fast swim all the way over there. And then what both of them have to do, just like me, is come back over here and finish in style. Speaking of style, I'm going to go get that stylish Principal Twimby. He's going to want to see all this, I tell you what.
All right, let's hear that fight song.
Fishy, and we're gonna see Neutron and Seymour do the exact same thing, because they're gonna do the high dive from all the way by the nurse's station, and then the fast swim all across that pool. Hey, wait a second, you're supposed to be doing a high dive, not a low dive?
Oh yeah, we're not going up there. Seymour's afraid of heights. Don't worry, we're gonna show you his low dives. All right, we've been working on this, Seymour, just like dive. All right, Seymour. Everybody knows you're afraid of heights. Don't worry. You can still show them just how fast you swim. Okay, don't worry. We still have time to give it one more try.
Oh, no. I'm sorry, students, but that's all the time we have for today. So, why don't we see how Clyde and Seymour did on all their classes, shall we? Oh, good. Yes. Oh, my. I'm afraid with grades like that, neither are going to be able to graduate.
Now, these those scholarships are mine! Hashtag boo yourselves. And here they are now.
Here they are, the scholarships we've all been waiting for. Yes, sir, that's me. I'm the scholarship guy.
Hey, look at my scholarships! Come on, no! We're not going to get scholarships like this! I lost them!
You lost them? You nincompoop! Everyone after those scholarships!
Hey, did anybody see that otter? Like, if you see him, point him at her. Scream! Anything! You gotta get... What? Oh, hurry, somebody get that otter! Oh no, he's getting away!
Alright, Clyde, it's up to us. We gotta find the otter. So I'm gonna need you to stay close, and I mean close, behind. Hold on. Clyde, why don't you wait here? Let me go check it out. Hey, wait a second. Woo! No one put a picture of this in the yearbook.
Hey, Hooper, quit goofing around. Where is the otter?
I haven't seen any otter anywhere. Have you guys seen the otter? Because I thought you said it was that way, right?
All right, listen up. If you guys see that otter anywhere, I need you to scream and shout. He's about 8 pounds. He's brown. He's covered in fur. Well, he's right there.
Hey, Trip.
Oh, no! Hey, Trip, look, he's in the tower.
Hey,
Come back here, you overgrown squirrel! You can't stop me!
Trip, you be careful, young man.
Yeah, what else?
Oh, millennials.
Alright, those scholarships are mine!
Whoa! Principal Twimby, what happened to Trip?
That's easy. He tripped.
Help! Seymour, what are you doing? Where are you going?
What's going on?
Wait a second, I think he's going after him. He's going to save Trip.
Please, somebody help me, can't swim!
Oh! Seymour's going up the back of the water tower. Oh! Seymour's in the water tower. He's got Trip.
Oh no, we have 2 students in danger. We need a plan.
Wait, Principal Twimby, did you say you needed a plan?
I need a plan.
Okay, Clyde has one. He's a genius, right? Look!
Oh, I see. We're gonna need a large, random air cannon.
But not just any air cannon, a ginormous air cannon made out of a recycling bin. Yeah, just like that one. Now, according to Clyde's plan, the force of the air will follow a trajectory up to the tower, releasing the emergency door. But there's one more thing. You guys remember from dance class? The disco hustle hit and hit, okay?
Oh no, Trip's in the water, he can't swim! Seymour, we need you out here. You remember drama class? Everybody has a part to play. It's finally your chance to do the high dive! Trip is going under! Quick, Seymour, the high dive!
Seymour, you did it! You saved Trip!
Well, wasn't that something? I know I said before that Clyde and Seymour couldn't graduate, but that was before Clyde figured out the trajectory with that large air cannon, blasting open the tower doors, releasing poor young Trip into the water. And Seymour, he overcame his fear of heights to save poor young Trip. They both showed education, exploration, and a sprinkle of imagination, and that is what true learning is all about. I say they should graduate, but that's not up to me, that's up to you all. What do you all say?